Here in this presentation, I am going to explain how to calculate the average velocity. How to calculate the average velocity. Now we have to choose two instants of time, okay, t1 and t2. Let us choose 5 second. This one can be taken as the first instant of time, and you write it as t1 here. I will choose another time taken, and the time taken another instant can be taken as t2. Are you clear? The t2 is 9 second. The first instant is t1 is equal to 5 second. The second instant is t2 is equal to 9 second. Here I have chosen two times, two instants of time. In between this two instant of time, we have to calculate the average velocity of the moving body. Are you clear? So what you have to do, the respective position of t1 and t2 to be found out. Now I am going to place a scale exactly at 5 second, and you have to draw a line that has to cut the curve. Are you clear? Already is it clear? The graph is drawn between the time and displacement. With the help of the known data between the time and displacement, already we have drawn the graph. Now we are going to calculate the average velocity of the moving body, and here t1 and t2 be those of two instant of time. Now we have to get the 2 points A and B. So exactly at 5th second, here it cuts no, that point can be taken as A. Now another line to be drawn from 9th second, that is t2 second, another instant of time. Here you can write this point as B. Are you clear? So whenever we call it as average velocity, two instant of time to be taken and 2 points A and B to be chosen from the graph, that A and B be the corresponding points on the position time graph. Here in y-axis, displacement is taken. That displacement is indirectly, it tells you about the position of the particle or position of the moving body. Are you clear? Now the 2 points are chosen now. Now we have to find out del x. Are you clear? How to find out del x? Here from A, this line to be extended. Are you clear? From B also, another line to be extended towards y-axis. Are you clear? Two lines are extended. So in between these two point, in y-axis you are getting one difference in displacement. That one gives you del x. That one gives you the del x. The del x is nothing but x2 minus x1. If x2, if it is subtracted by x1, you will get del x. Here, this is the t2, this is t1. The difference between t2 and t1, that one gives you del t. By knowing the value of del x and del t, we are able to get the value of average velocity. Now, is it clear how to calculate the average velocity? Now I am going to calculate the average velocity by knowing this formula, that is average velocity is equal to, what is the formula? Del x divided by del t. Two instant of time must be taken to calculate the average velocity. The corresponding x2 and x1 must be known, only then we are able to calculate. Del x is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole divided by t2 divided by t1. Now you substitute. Find out the value. Here x2 is 8.8. What is the value? 8.8 is the value. I will write it here. x2 is 8.8 minus x1 value is 6.4. 6.4 whole divided by the time 9 minus 5 must be written. 9 second minus 5 second. So in the numerator, what you will get? 8.8 minus 6.4 is equal to 2.4. 2.4 divided by 4. So this is the value. Are you clear? From this value, we are able to calculate the average velocity, that is V average, can be calculated. Okay. Now after calculation you are getting 0.6. The answer will be 0.6 meter per second. This is the value of V average. Okay, to calculate V average, 2 instants of time must be taken. The corresponding positions x1 and x2 must be known for this particular instant, that is t1 and t2. x1 is the position of the particle when the t1 instant is happened. x2 is the position of the particle when t2 instant is happened. Now find the difference between these two and these two, substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. So this is called as V average. Now we are going to learn how to measure the instantaneous velocity from the graph. Already by knowing the values of time and displacement by drawing the tabular column, already I have drawn the shape of the graph. Now I am going to calculate the instantaneous velocity at a particular instant. Now I am going to choose this 5 second. Now I am going to choose this 5 second at that particular instant, that is at 5th second. I would like to calculate the velocity. If you calculate the velocity of the moving body at a particular instant of time, that is called instantaneous velocity. Here which one is chosen? Now I am going to measure the velocity exactly at 5th second. The velocity of the moving body exactly at 5th second when it is in motion. Now what I have to do? Now right from here, right from 5th second, you draw a line. Are you clear? Now you have to make a marking exactly, is it clear, on the graph. So this is the location of the point. This point can be taken as A. Exactly at A, what I have to do? I have to draw a slope. Are you clear? The method of drawing the slope is, actually you have to draw a tangent. Are you clear? With respect to that point, you have to draw a tangent. Now I am going to draw the tangent. After drawing the tangent, you have to take the slope. That line what I am going to draw, that has to touch the single point. Exactly at A alone it has to touch. So the line what I am drawing is called as, what is the slope. After drawing the slope, calculate, is it clear? After drawing the tangent, draw the slope. The name of the line is called tangent. In Tamil it is called Todugodu, the line that touches A alone. After drawing the tangent, draw the slope. What is slope? Look at that. I am going to draw a slope. Here, draw a small triangle. This name of this triangular portion is called slope. Could you understand this? So with respect to the point A, I have drawn the tangent. With the help of the tangent, I have drawn a slope. Now this distance, this is called as del y, difference in y. What is this difference in y? Actually dy must be written. dy must be written. dy, difference in y. This is called as dx. This is dx, this is dy. Are you clear? So what is the formula to calculate the slope? Slope is equal to, the formula to calculate the slope is dy by dx. Are you clear? In dy, who is there? In dy, displacement is there. Are you clear? The difference in displacement can be written as dx. Difference in displacement can be called as dx. Find out the value here. Here you extend the line. If it is extended, you will get 11.5. So difference in y means this value minus this value is called, what is this? Difference in y. Now this line to be extended. This line must be extended. Are you clear? Here from this line you extend this, only then we are able to get the difference in displacement. This portion that gives you difference in displacement. Difference in y is nothing but difference in displacement. Find out 11.5 meter minus 9 meter must be written. Are you clear? In the denominator, which factor is there? In the denominator, difference in time is there. Difference in time must be written. This is difference in displacement. This is difference in time. Are you clear? dy is nothing but difference in displacement. dx is nothing but difference in time. Now extend the line. You will get the difference in time. Are you clear? So extend the line here. After the extension of the line, you will get the difference in time. So what is the time here? This is exactly equal to, clear, how much? 6 seconds minus, if the line is extended, you will get approximately 4.2 second. Understood? So dx is displacement, difference in displacement, dt is difference in time. Now you subtract. 11.5 minus 9 is equal to 2.5 meter whole divided by 6 minus 4.8, 4.2. 6 minus 4.2 is 1.8 second. Now you calculate 2.5 divided by 1.8 is equal to 1.38. 1.38 meter per second is called as, what is this? Instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous. What is this? Instantaneous velocity. This instantaneous velocity is calculated at 5th second. At a particular second alone, this one to be calculated. Are you clear? You have to choose the instant of time that should be extended. There you have to draw the tangent. With respect to the tangent, you have to draw the slope. Therefrom, you have to get the formula. Slope formula is dy by dx. dy is nothing but difference in displacement. dx is nothing but difference in time. That slope itself that gives you instantaneous velocity exactly at 5th second. You can choose any instant of time, exactly extend the line, there you draw the slope, automatically you will get the value of instantaneous velocity. What is the meaning? Exactly at 5th second, the body moves clear with the velocity of 1.38 meter per second. That is the meaning. Okay.